Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm still eating if you've seen the last video. Still eating. So in that last video we talked about like babies, moving out, stuff like that. In this video I think we're gonna talk about my YouTube channel. Now, don't get me wrong, I love filming naked videos. They're super fun and just stuff like that, and you probably will still get a few, but if you subscribe solely for that reason, I'm sorry. I do post other things. I do have an OnlyFans account which will be linked down below, which you can always go and follow, and there'll be stuff there. Right now it's only pictures. I do want to work on getting more like dirty photos and stuff like that, but I want to make sure it's something people want before I'm just like, hey, here's this. So go subscribe to it, follow it, comment over there, tell me what you want, because obviously like here you can't be like, well, you know, there though, you know, is better. This is hot. Yeah, I try to post there a few times a week, so no, don't worry, you'd get to see stuff. And I do polls, so like you guys can tell me exactly what you want. You can just comment and you can message me and be like, hey, like, I mean, sure, we like just the teasing photos, but, and be like, okay, you know, thank you, let me know what you want. Ow. This channel has and will always be where I throw up all my ideas. Everything. So there's naked videos, there's gaming, there's vlogs, there's reviews, there's hauls, there's actual informative things where I talk about like finances and stuff like that. So, you know, sorry. I'm just a 22-year-old still trying to figure out life. Pretty sure everyone's trying to figure out life, so, you know, I do what I do. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to try to do vlog December, and this week I have off. I need to get those 31 videos edited and ready to upload. I probably have more than that on my computer, and I want to get as many as possible edited, so then when I do have Wi-Fi I can just like upload as many as possible, because like I want to keep content coming up as often as possible, and like a few times a week, but like realistically I don't know how I can do that, but we're gonna see, you know? My exploring videos did not do good, which sucks for you guys, because I'm gonna film more because I love exploring. These freaking eggs, man. Ridiculous. So I think that's all that's happening with my channel. Like, sure, there's still gonna be the videos that have been coming at ya. There may be more like finance wise and maybe baby related ones sometime. I don't know. Who knows with my body if I can have a baby or not. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe here on YouTube and over at OnlyFans. It is free to subscribe and follow. So let me know what you think. It should go up. Tell me what you like. Why Deuces.